Understanding the phrase, give room, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, give room. It might sound simple, but this phrase can be used in different contexts to mean different things. So, if you've ever found yourself puzzled by what give room really means, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore this phrase together. The phrase, give room, can be taken literally to mean creating physical space for something or someone. For instance, when you are sitting in a crowded place and someone asks you to give room, they are requesting you to move over or adjust your position so that there is more space available. Example, can you give room? We need to fit one more chair at the table. Apart from its literal meaning, give room can also be used figuratively. In this context, it means allowing space or opportunity for something to happen or for someone to express themselves. Example 1, you need to give your plants room to grow. Don't plant them too close together. Example 2, I'm trying to make a decision. Can you just give me some room to think? It's important to note that give room is not commonly used to refer to giving someone privacy or time alone. In these contexts, phrases like give space or give me a moment are more appropriate. Incorrect. I'm feeling overwhelmed. Can you give me room? Correct. I'm feeling overwhelmed. Can you give me some space? And that's pretty much it. Give room can mean creating physical space or allowing opportunities for growth and expression. Remember to pay attention to the context in which it is used to understand its exact meaning. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and enriched your understanding of this phrase. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you next time, and keep practicing your English.